Hey folks, you joined me today in Detroit, Michigan back in June of 2024. This video will be some clips and highlights from a trip we took from Michigan to Colorado. We were in the rental car parking lot still in Detroit when we watched an employee crash into a post that was freestanding here. That guy just crashed into that pole. From what I could tell, there was no obvious damage.
What
Whoa!
the hell, man? What the fuck was that?
He was behind us. He tried to get in the left lane, saw a car and panicked and came back over. Dude just blew that stop sign. Good one. Yeah, that was solid. Are you just gonna pull right in front of us? That's cool. Oh. Alabama. That makes sense, doesn't it?
Oh, indeed. Good Lord.
Despite our own dedicated lane and the incredibly long on-ramp, this car still manages to fail at merging. And this Kia Sportage rental car that we're driving is so freaking slow.
Safety has a kid. I want to know, what's with the boat obsession? He wants to know, I've always wondered, why do dolphins chase boats?
Yep, if you've been on a boat, you've probably seen a dolphin. Literally pushing the water along, so the dolphin can sit right in that pocket and be pushed along without having to swim. So it's just fun.
We were surprised to find that Minneapolis actually had some neighborhoods that were very similar to Portland, quite hilly, lots of vegetation, and some very, very strange road design choices.
Wild.
Honey!
Take the next left to stay on West Irvine Avenue.
Oh, okay.
Can I even make this turn with this steering wheel?
Wow.
In 1,000 feet,
Shown that increased hemoglobin and red blood cells is associated with higher arterial oxygen content, so they have more oxygen in their blood. Actually,
Sorry, this guy just drifting into our lane. The little baby is so cute. Oh, they're fighting. Exciting.